Hello and welcome back again. In this video, we're going to look at one of the latest tools that Leonardo introduced into its workflow, and that is the real-time gen or real-time generation. Now, we know about the image generation where you put in your prompt and then you generate and wait for your image to be generated. Right now, you don't need to do that. All you have to do is type in your prompt and try to control the style of image that you want. So let's try that out. So if you come in here, you can see the image generation, real-time canvas, and here's the real-time gen, which is in early access, and then the canvas editor and the text generation, and then you have the motion here, which is the latest, and now they introduced the real-time gen in the early access. So let's click on that, and you can see not much here, but you can see the elements that you use in your image generation are here. You have some presets here to choose from, the anim all the way to vibrant. And then here you can see, if you know the seed, you can type in the seed from here or just use the random seed. And then here you can see creative upscale here. When we generate the image, it's gonna create this one will become active. So let's do that. So here we just want a cat. So you can see this is our cat now. And then let's say sitting on a chair. So you can see the cat is sitting on a chair. As we try to create your image, you look at the things that you want to add on to your image, and then you remove it. So here we just want to wearing a sunglass. So you can see it's wearing a sunglass as the sun rays. So you can see as we try to put in the prompt, we look at the image. If we don't want it, we can change some of the prompt here. So let's put highly detailed. So you can see it's look more highly here, but it's not that matter here, because once we choose the different preset here, it's going to change that. For example, you put photography, you can see it changed that to kind of having that photography look here. And then once we change to anim, you can see it changed that. This is the preset, so it changed that to anim style there. And then you can change to different here. So let's put it back to, we try painting. So you can see it's kind of like a painting here, and then we change it back to photography here. And once you're happy with your image, you can add more words to it to create a nice looking image that you want to. But just for the trial here, so let's just go up here and create the creative upscale. So once we click the creative upscale, it's gonna appear on our where we generate our image. So let's go out from here. And you can see here, this is the image that we just generated, and you can see how highly detailed our image is. So you can see that's the little cat there. Okay, so that's how we can use this tool that is introduced into Leonardo workflow, and that is the real-time gen. So here are some of the images that we have generated using this early access of the real-time gen. Thank you for watching, and subscribe if you have not subscribed yet, and see you back again in another video.
नजरिया